What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. This right here is my new Mini Cooper, John Cooper's Works GP edition, 2013. Has got it with 26,800 something miles, but very low mileage car. I'm currently on my way to the exhaust shop in Road City. He's been doing the last 2-3 of my vehicles. I'm gonna get a muffler delete because it's so quiet, and then get something else deleted as well. That'll make the car loud too. So basically, this is like the inside cabin noise. Super quiet, can't hear anything. Super quiet. Reason why I got another Mini Cooper, because look at this fuel economy right now. 6th gear, going 75 miles an hour. And look at my MPG. Can't beat that. And it's a quick car. And another thing I like about it, look, it's so small. You can get the traffic so easily. Look at the tips. Chilling in Julie's car, eating some dessert. They're currently cutting my exhaust right now. That'll be loud. He's adding a fatter pipe. Before it's a 2 1/4 pipe, now it's a 2.5 inch pipe. Damn, old man putting in work on that pipe.
Wow.
This car sounds so much nicer than my last setup. This has a 2.5 inch pipe instead of a 2 1/4. Muffler, resonator, and secondary cat delete. The car has so much more pops now, and it's a lot louder than pops. That's an OG Mini Cooper right there. To finish tonight's vlog, some curry, chicken masala.